Hello and welcome back to my channel, Far Away. Let's continue with the 62 Impala. In this episode, we're going to be painting the fenders. Fenders are ready. They have been waxed and grease removed. They're ready to go. Let's start painting. First of all, let's just continue with the fenders. Now, I did prepare them. They had a couple of little dings and dents here and there. They've been repaired. Some minor rust issues, they have been repaired. Now, all we gotta do is put some sealer into this so that we can have it ready for that black paint. All right, let's start off with the sealer. The sealer I'm gonna be using is black. Reason being, I'm shooting some black paint. It's from Eurochem. All the information, it's in the description below. Let's just mix it up. This is mix 411, 4-part sealer, 1 part activator, 1 part reducer. Mix it up. The gun I'm using, it's the Genesi Carbonio 360 Light by Welcome, and it has a 1.3 tip. Now, when you're spraying sealer and paint, you're gonna go 50%. What does 50% overlap mean? Let's say this is the spray pattern that the gun gave you. 50%, you're gonna go and cover 50%. That is it. So that's how I'm gonna be spraying the sealer and the paint, overlapping it 50%. There it is, the sealer has been applied. I'm gonna wait about 15 minutes for it to dry, come back, use a tack rag, clean it up so that I can start applying the paint. Once again, here's the paint I'm gonna be using. It's from Hi-Q. All the information to the materials that I'm using, it's gonna be in the description below. It's High Jetness Black. This is exactly like a super jet black, but it covers in one coat, guys. This company, real good company. Just tell them Far Away sent you. They'll hook you up, and you'll be amazed with the quality of paint they have. All right, let's start mixing it and go from there. There we go. 3 coats of base. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna wait for about 20 minutes for it to dry. Come back, start applying the clear. This is the clear I'm gonna be using, the Glamour Clear from Eurochem. The gun I'm gonna be using is the Welcome Carbonio 360 Light with a MP air cap and a 1.2 tip. Now this, the clear, I'm gonna be spraying it at 75% overlap, okay? 75% overlap. Let's say I'm gonna be spraying right here. 75 is like right there, just a little bit up, and that's the way I'm gonna be doing it. There it is after a couple of hours of drying. Yes, it does have a little dirt nips here and there, but all of that's going to be taken care of with the flow coat. I am going to show you how to sand it down for that flow coat. I am going to show you how many coats of clear you're going to have to be applying to get this mirror finish. So this will be it. This will be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like it. This is a lot of people claim to say that black is the hardest color to paint. Actually, guys, it's the easiest color to paint. The only thing that your body work has to be straight as an arrow, in order for you to get the perfect finish. But there it is, and this will be it. All right, guys, thank you very much. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next coming weekend. All right, thank you. And like always, if you want to support the channel, there's some links below that you can help me out so that I can make more videos. Thank you. Like always, God bless.